Hi everyone, it's Rose. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a quick unboxing on the Crafter's Companion Stamp and Die card making kit. So according to the box, you can make a minimum of 20 cards. They're the standard A2 size, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And the box says this kit includes over 165 elements. So that's a pretty good size kit. Let's open it up and take a look. And it looks like there's a lot of goodies included. So what I'm going to do is take everything out of the box so we can take a closer look. Now, the first thing that's included are some dies. So this is a metal flower die, and let's take it out. Take a look at the size. Pretty nice size there. Looks like it's a pierced outlining of a flower. And here is a metal die in a leaf design. And that looks pretty nice. It looks like you can get a die cut and embossing with that. So that's pretty nice. Here is one of the, I believe, 3 stamp sets that's included. And let me see if I can take this out and we can get a closer look. Hold this over the card stock so we can look at it a little bit more closely. So there's that flower and leaf, which look like they complement the dies that are included. So that is pretty nice. And it says there's a Just For You stamp, rose stamp, and a sentiment. Very nice stamp set included in that. And here's the second of the 3, and these look like butterfly stamps. Very nice size butterfly, 2 different ones, and the word butterfly. So those are very pretty and perfect for spring cards. Now it looks like we have a butterfly die, which will work nicely with those stamps. Oh, it's actually 2 butterfly dies. So it looks like we have the outline and then a more detailed die. Very nice. So if you're familiar with Crafter's Companion dies, they're very good quality dies. And this looks like it's nice and detailed. And it looks like what we could do with the outline is we could, after we stamp one of the butterflies, or actually either one of them, we could go ahead and die cut those out after we color them in. And I like to use Spectrum Noir markers, so that would be very pretty there. And then this one would be a nice layering die over maybe one of the outlines. So I like that. Those are very nice. And then the final set are some sentiments for the cards, which are always nice to get some new sentiments. Be a rainbow in someone else's cloud, happy birthday. If friends were flowers, I'd pick you. There's a thank you. There's live, love, and laugh. You are my sunshine. Wishing you a day wrapped in happiness. Where flowers bloom, so does hope. What a caterpillar calls the end of the world, the master calls the butterfly. So that's really pretty. Very nice. Again, beautiful spring card sentiments. Let's get into the colored card that is included here. And these, I believe, are 8 by 8. Beautiful lavender, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm guessing it's going to be 6 of each color. Really beautiful, soft butter yellow color. A vibrant minty green. Be very pretty for that leaf. Here's a white. Here's a softer pastel green. This is a blush pink. And that is everything for the cardstock that's included. So these could work well with the dies. You could do some paper piecing with the stamps. Very nice card and a good weight to it. So that's a nice part of the kit. And we'll get into the A2 size blanks, and you get 20 of these white cardstock blanks, and these are not lightweight, so this is a good weight for pre-made cardstock, card folds there. So I'm sometimes hesitant with the pre-made cards that come in kits because sometimes they tend to be very flimsy. These are not. This is a good weight. I would venture to guess that's maybe 100-pound weight. And here we have some printed cardstock. These are a lighter weight, beautiful designs. Roses, lovely with the rose sentiment stamps, and the die cuts also with the butterflies. This is very pretty. Soft pastel. Oh, and here's one with butterflies and that really pretty mint green that would go back nicely to the paper that was included. Also that pink. Here's one with pink flowers, a white background, and the combination of butterfly and roses, and some soft green polka dots on those. So these are very beautiful. Lovely on the cards. Look at that. Very nice. Now it looks like we also have some colored cardstock, which would be very nice for layering on the cards too. So you can see how this could come together very quickly for a simple base on the card there. Nice. So we have a deeper purple. That's almost the signature color for Crafter's Companion and Spectrum Noir, so that's really pretty. Now this is a dark, I would call this a navy with some gray in it. Very nice. Again, very nice for layering. Of course, you could use these for the dies as well. And here is a burgundy. We're getting 4 of each of these colors. Here's a very soft lavender. I keep showing it with that pattern paper with the butterfly and roses because you can see how these all go back and work well with everything that we have here. So I love the ability to mix and match. Here's that deep green. It's almost like a Kelly green, I would say. And here's a deeper, almost like a forest green. It looks like it has some blue in it. But again, all of these work well for mixing and matching. Very, very nice that they've coordinated all of this together. I love that in kits because you never know what direction a card is going to go in, and when you have a lot of options, it makes card making so much easier. So these are very, very nice, very handy. I love the idea of layering, but again, you could do a lot with it. You could, again, use the stamps, use the dies, but the versatility here with the types of cards that you could make, everything from birthday cards to thank you cards to Mother's Day cards to, just a hello friend card, even something like a sympathy card. I mean, this paper is just absolutely gorgeous. So very nice there. We also have the envelopes included, something that you don't always get in card kits. An envelope for each card, which is very nice because if you want to go through and make a set of cards for a gift and actually wrap them in ribbon and give them as a gift, your envelopes are already here, and they'll fit the A2 size card. They look like they're generous in that if you did some layering, you wouldn't have a problem. I like the rounded edge there on the flap. So these are nice. And then it looks like they've included some paper inserts, which again, this is something that's not always included in card kits, but I do appreciate when they go the extra mile and include the inserts, because if you decide that you want to do some, coloring and inking on the outside of the card, but you want to keep the, this is just a beautiful finishing touch. So when you open it up, of course, you can write your sentiment on the clean white insert. So I would say all in all, this is a very comprehensive card kit. You can easily make 20 cards, of course, with the bases, but then again, I can see that you can stretch that even further by all of this additional paper that's included, and of course the stamps and dies that you're going to continue to use again and again because they're very, very versatile, very versatile stamp and die set. So this is the Crafter's Companion card making die and stamp kit. As of the time that I'm making this video, it is available through HSN. I don't know if they have it on the Crafter's Companion website, but it's certainly a very comprehensive kit and one that I think I'll get a lot of use out of. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.